In this video, I will be showing you guys how to create highlights on an Instagram profile. First, launch your Instagram app, then navigate to your profile page. Once you're over here, you're gonna find this section of highlights over here. You'll need to click on the option New. With this, you'll be able to create the highlight. In case you cannot find this highlight section over here, click on this plus icon given at the top left. From these options, select the option Highlights. With that, your archived story will appear. Now go ahead and select the stories that you want to add to your highlight. Checking for it, then click on Next. Now give it a name. Likewise, you can select Cover. Once you do that, click on Add. With that, you have just created the highlight. Keep in mind that you must have posted stories before in order to create highlights. You can also add stories to highlights while posting them. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.